Good evening guys. Today we have tutorial in Planswift. Here we discuss how to scale the PDF files. So here the drawing guys as shown we have 17.10. So check here the scale. We open. So this is meter. Okay. So we can write here 17.10. Check the target 17.10. Be sure guys that your point is exactly with the line that you are pointed like this. Okay, and here 22.20, so we will scale also 22.20. All right, so now we already have the scale x and y. So here we can now start the quantity takeoff. So before you make the quantity takeoff, to make easy for you guys to do the quantity takeoff, we need first to do the template. So meaning the template is we will just input all the details that what we want, like in cubic meters we need the length, the width, and the height. So we can create that in the template, which we can do here in template. I will show you. So here we can create guys. So actually we will discuss that later to do the template. So now we just only show you guys to do the quantity takeoff. Actually I already have the template, so we just only open the template here. I have the quantity takeoff and materials that I already do. So quantity takeoff for all the columns, I have points here because we just only to pin point. Like for example we have C2, C1, C3. So the better use, we need the use of point. So like for example we have here template. For example we have C2, we can write here C2, length is 0.60, width is 20, and the height, let's say 1.40. And don't forget guys to put the folder. Like for example these folders belong to neck column, so you will write here neck column. So you can make okay like this. So you can build all the C2 column by selecting all the C2 columns like this. All right, so we have already here, you can check, uh, we can open estimating next column. So here in estimating, we found our next column, the data for the C2 is 84 cubic meter. So that's why I'm telling to you guys, we need to put, importantly, put the folder. Like for example, make column. So we need to open the folder and we need to fill up next column in the folder. If you do type beam, also you put folder, you fill up also the folder belongs to type beam. All right. So as of now, guys, I just only explaining to you the X and Y and the quantity, how to do quantity takeoff. Next time, we will discuss how to make template and and the details of the templates. All right, so we will discuss this next time about for the templates and the details, how we create the template. So that's all, guys. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe my channel and like. All right, thank you. Bye bye.